If you choose the wrong campaign objective, your money will probably gone. Assalamu alaikum, smart peoples. Welcome to another new video. Hope you guys are doing well by the grace of Almighty. In the last video, we were discussed about the campaign types. Hopefully, you understand the concepts very easily, and we promise that after the next video means this current video, running video, we will discuss about the campaign objective. So let's begin. First, let's discuss about the awareness campaign. This campaign objective before its name was awareness and consideration, but this was got updated and now it's called YouTube reach, views, and engagements. So, what this campaign objective basically is? Look, people buy from those who they knows. You have to keep in mind your that. So, if your brand or your company people will not know about them, they won't trust you and they don't buy from you. So basically, when you are running a brand or a business, first you will need to uh, reach front of your audiences, your customers, so that they're gonna trust you. Okay, for that reasons, these awareness campaigns at the beginning is very important. Okay, then sorry, then the local store visits and promotion. Which what this campaign objective is? So we run ads. Okay, then what happened? The customer was come to our website, they make clicks, then they come to our website. Our website traffic was increased gradually after running ads for months or years. But there are many very specific local stores like restaurants, pet grooming, or what do you say, saloons. Do they need website traffic for their business running? No, they need their customers to come to their website or local store to come to their uh, store or their shop physically. So this campaign objective is specifically targeted those audience, or this campaign objective is optimized by Google. That's why that this will show up to those audiences or users who will come to your and who wants to come to your store or your shops physically, not just go to your website and may go bunch of traffic to your website and increase your site traffic. No, that's not for it. That's how this campaign objective helps the local stores. Then app promotion objective. We already talk about the last videos on campaign objective, campaign type, that app type. His simple funda is he's single. He don't wants to mess. His main goal is this campaign objective. Main goal is just to promote apps, app promotion, and app promotions on the iOS apps, the Android apps, promoting those type of ads. Okay. Then what's this creative campaign without guidance? By the name, we can understand that this campaign objective is by doing everything manually. Like if we click on that, here you can see campaign type. All the campaign types comes. So Google give you the authority that you create your own campaign. Suppose you know more than Google. If you know more than Google, then go for it. But I recommend, and many recommend, that don't use this creative campaign because the guidance of Google we need very much. Okay. Then the website traffic. So we know about the traffic, right? Many like many newspapers or many newspaper sites like Prothomalo, many blog sites, or even many startups, they want at the beginning much and much traffic to their sites, blogs, or their startup sites. They need traffic. So for that reason, you're gonna choose, or you may choose this campaign objective. Okay. Then before explaining you the sales leads and much clearly the website traffic, let's define that how on the back end Google works. Google actually define their users in three categories. Yeah, three categories. One, number one is the audience or customers who make extremely high ticket uh, conversions, like extremely more and more often they buy products on online, they make shoppings on online. So these are golden types of customers. The Google categorize them in one type. Then comes up the second type. The second type is those type of users who don't actually make much who don't actually do the um, product purchasing or things like that much, but they do they may fill up the form, or they make phone calls for getting on local services, or service from services businesses. They do those type of actions very much. So Google categorize them in number two. And then come up the number three one, which is the mm, traffic type. Like they don't even do the they don't even fill the fill up from, or they don't make any phone calls on online, or even they don't purchase online or make purchasing online. They don't do anything. They just come and research things on Google, comes on Google and scroll and make clicks, blah blah. So Google categorizes him in number three. Now let's see the screen again. Now you will understand these sales leads and website very clearly. So the number one, we see that extreme purchase type. If you are an brand or an e-commerce business owners who is trying to sell their products, you will choose this sales type, and Google will show your ads to those type of to the number from the three categories. For Google will show you your ad to category one, where the users or audiences make many types of purchases. Then the leads. When you choose the leads, Google will show you ads to category 2, where where the types of people who makes or who do the lead form fill up, and who makes the phone calls from local services very often. When you choose this campaign objective, the Google will show your ads to those type of audiences. Then the website traffic. When you choose the website traffic, Google will show your ads to category 3 type of audience who don't make mm, like purchases, who don't feel uh, your campaign objective, which may be fill up leads or making phone calls, who don't do those type of things, who just comes and uh, clicks on websites and scrolls. Those will just this type of audiences. So when we choose the website traffic, Google will show ads to those type of audiences. Yeah, these are the basic and very simple explanation of the campaign objective types. Hope this video is very simple and useful to you. Please subscribe and like to show uh, show my video to others. Hope you hope this video is helpful to you, and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.